what's up everybody? It's Andres and Angel here with A&A Deluxe Detail out of Los Angeles, California. And in today's video, we are going to do our first interior detail in the shop. So stick around. I know everything's not organized or set up the way we would like it to, but we got some work to do, so let's take care of business. Detailer advice. Always have a pair of gloves on you, please. Always have a pair of guantes, just in case you want these hands, you know what I'm saying?
You want this?
Do you, bro?
You want this?
Want the detail? No, yeah, but on the real. Gloves, man. You know, there's people's germs. You know, God forbid these people, and you know, I don't know these people out here, man, they're like animals on the loose, you know? Nah.
You never know, you never know.
Can't trust them, you know what I'm saying?
Can't trust them. And this, so we're back at the shop. And this, you said this was your guys' first detail here at the shop?
Yes. Legit husky lights, you know what I'm saying? So when we do the buffing and polishes, or we need some light for the interior. Come on, bro. These are the ones that, you know, when you go to Dodger Stadium?
The pavilions?
Right here, my boy. Just like. But yeah, bro, really good equipment, very good quality equipment. It's gonna perform at a high level. Let's get it.
How long is this interior detail gonna take you guys?
You know what? This might take longer than usual because, you know, this is our first detail in here. So we're just running with it. We definitely planned for this car to be here for a while for that reason. And we worked it out with the owner and stuff, so.
So are you guys gonna extract? Shampoo?
We're gonna stay tuned. How about that? And then I'll let you know.
All right. I know detailing, it's kind of labor intensive. How do you keep your body, or how do you keep your body energized or nourished throughout the day?
There's many ways we do that, but one of the ways is with this lean body, plant-based protein shake. I wouldn't consider it a meal, but I would say it's a very good way to sustain the nutrients. So if there's any lean body representatives out there, hit me up. I would love to represent in my shop.
So Angel, who should clients, or who should people call when their interior is like super dirty?
They should call A&A Busters.
Get it.
So this one we've been saving. We didn't really use it as much because this is more of a, I would say like a detail professional vacuum, you know? Like for mobile, it wouldn't be too convenient just because you gotta be more flexible. But in here, you know, we can have an extension cord and Ghostbusters, baby. Nah, badass, bro. Check it out. Got the switch right here. Very flexible, follows you around, base obviously because it's behind your back, but it's a very expensive and high grade vacuum that we did not want to mess up in mobile just because we didn't want to, you know, in the car, you're just throwing it in, getting stuff out. So now that we're in the shop, it's more professional. We're out here testing it out and see the results.
You think it'll make the cut of your equipment, or still testing it out?
Honestly, this little piece right here is probably very clutch because those spots under the seats or in between the seats and the center console might be even better. So let's find out, man.
Unless with the new vacuum, do you think you'll be able to vacuum the interiors quicker? Or?
Come on, bro. Like, you know that song Ghostbusters, like it was playing? That's us, bro. But just in the detailing game. Like right here, come out here with the tools, bang, 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 bang them all out real quick and just get to it.
Can you give us an update on the interior detail?
Yeah, brother, I just finished doing the vacuuming, so now it's time to get ready the MITT extractor, and let's clean up these seats, brother.
So earlier you had mentioned that the car was from like 2019 and it's the first time getting detailed.
Yeah, so yeah, we've detailed this car before, but not with like a full extraction and a full deep interior detail. We just kind of gave it like a maintenance detail when it was first new. But our boy lives out there in Rancho Cucamonga, and right now he's currently on vacation with his girlfriend, and you know, my boy Joe dropped it off. He knows that we're gonna take care of him and we're gonna provide good work, so he's out there enjoying life while his car's getting treated, you know?
So Angel, the shop, it's a bit of a tight space right now, but like Andres said earlier that you guys are gonna continue remodeling it.
Yeah.
Do you think it's good just to start doing jobs here?
I think it's important to get going and not wait until everything is perfect, because then we'll fall behind on the jobs and we won't be able to keep up.
Yeah.
But yeah, we were working with what we got, and one day it'll be running efficiently and with all the room possible.
So Andres, what are you gonna show us right now?
Right now I'm gonna walk you through the steps that we do here at A&A Deluxe Detail to extract and remove these stains and make sure they are clean and extracted.
What's the first step?
So the first step, you know, obviously you want to vacuum, which I did already. Now I'm observing some stains that I'm gonna focus more on, because I'm gonna hit the whole seat, but as you can see, looks like they dropped some type of liquid or something. So right off the bat, I hit it with some all-purpose cleaner real quick. Something like that. Some water. I'm gonna agitate it up. So now that I've agitated the chemical into the seats to remove the stains, as you can see, the stains are basically gone already, but we're still gonna extract it to make sure there's no extra liquid under the cushion or anything.
So Andres, you just did your passes with the extractor. How long will it take to dry the fabric?
Honestly, I would say like by the time we're done with the car, usually, since it's a heated extractor, it doesn't take much.
Yeah, it already looks brand new, man.
Hell yeah, bro. That's what we try to aim for, man. Just try to make the customer happy, and it's also gonna take away. There's like a funky smell here, so I'm pretty sure that how to do something with it.
So Andres, that brush that they were using for the extraction, for the agitation.
Yeah.
Where can someone find it?
Well, if you look in our link in our videos, we have it posted there in auto detail supplies or tools, and you'll be able to find this brush. As you can see, it's soft bristles. Very helpful when you're trying to agitate the seats or the rugs, carpets, anywhere where you don't want to definitely mess up the car. So, very helpful.
And all your other equipment will be in the description too?
Yes, we have a lot of our tools that we use in the description below, like this MITT and our pressure washer. So, and if you have any comments or any suggestions, just let us know, man.
What's the update on the interior detail?
So I just finished extracting. Angel's gonna still finish up, brushing up the inside, and I'm about to finish up the vacuuming, because in the detailing game, man, you can vacuum the car in the beginning, you take your eyes off it, it's right there again. So you always gotta make sure to get it right so the customer is satisfied.
So guys, you're taking a little break.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, brother.
Compared to when you're detailing mobile, what do you like better so far about being in the shop?
First of all, man, being in a shop, look at this shade, bro. Look at this, how fresh it is, you know, compared to being outside in the street, cars flying by, trees dirtying your car, and we're at our own shop, at our own pace, and most importantly, we have a restroom. So
Restroom?
not a restroom, bro. So
That's way better than detailing mobile.
Yeah.
The restroom?
Any mobile
Arguably, that's
detailer-
probably one of the top.
every mobile detailer knows the struggle. So hey,
You gotta
We
go
ain't
to
gonna
no
get to
Jack
that
in the
one.
Box, McDonald's. You gotta hit the back alley, you know?
Yeah.
yeah, bro.
But other than that, I mean, you're in a controlled environment, like he said. You know, everything is right here.
So do you guys think if it was like, it was kind of sprinkling earlier today?
Yeah, in the morning it was a little.
Rains, you guys would have doing it here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
And you know, we got our ladders now. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the person in the
I don't know
comment.
who said it, but we went and got ourselves a $40 ladder. You know what I'm saying?
See, we listen to you guys, so
And it's light too. I could like throw this if I wanted to.
yeah, relax, bro. I know you go to the gym, bro.
Oh, yeah, we curl this shit.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at the gun. Look at the guns.
You like this tan too? This is a detailing tan right here. It's not a farmer's tan anymore.
It's
It's
a
a
detailing
detailing tan.
Earned, not given.
See that?
One more extraction on this.
Yeah, brother. As you can see right here, this driver mat's pretty damaged. It's mostly always the one that is damaged since, you know, the driver's always in the car stepping on it. So let's see if we can take out these stains. No agitation. Well, no chemical, I mean. A little warm water. Oh. See here. All right, guys, what an experience. That was our first complete interior detail in the shop. What do you think, bro? How do you feel about it?
I feel pretty good. I think that the customer is gonna love it, and we hope you guys stay tuned. We're gonna continue on to the outside. We're gonna give it a nice polish, a nice sealant. So if you guys would like to follow up on that, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at A&A Deluxe Detail. Check out our new merch. We got new merch out here. Look at the back, right there. Let us know what you guys think. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one.